Alrighty, everybody, we are back again, baby. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Another episode, man. R.I.P. Who's that? Julie? No, that is Julie. R.I.P. Julie. Playing as Sunny today, man. See if we can get the fuck out of here. We're also joined in with Jopangbo. Road to Round 30 and 7 Days to Die series. See if we can get out of here, though, man. Are you next to me?
I'm dangling.
Oh yeah, keep tapping square and get yourself off of there. You can make noise if you want in the beginning. It doesn't matter. Okay. Especially just right now. Follow me through here.
I wonder where this goes.
And this is where you might want to be a little quiet because if you make noise through here, it can get a little fucked up.
Might be able to use this.
So you grab an unlock tool from there. I'm gonna start working on this door. Those are the lock picks. Oh, hold on, somebody's close. Get out of it.
What's wrong?
He's coming, bro.
Pretty good. I'm dead.
Crawl through it again. He can't go through the crawl spaces.
Where the hell did we end up here?
And then run through the door. Hold L1 and keep tapping X and to run.
Oh,
get away from him, bro.
Now. Oh shit. I'm gonna play it.
And try to hide in like a little corner or something.
Let's see where this leads.
If you climb over shit, they can't get there. Same thing, if you squeeze through cracks in the walls, that's a good way to lose them.
Please don't.
Got a door open.
Whoa.
This guy, if you move, then he sees where you are. So don't move. I'm gonna move though, right now. Oh, alright, you see me? You see that little yellow
There's
thing?
There's a killer by me. Oh shit.
Oh, damn. I tried to make myself noticeable. Don't know if that was the best idea. I did find a fuse though. Where's the fuse box at? There it is. I'm running towards it.
I was listening to that motherfucker behind me get chopped up.
Of course. Come on. Think.
Oh no. It won't crawl through. Caught me lacking. Trying to crawl through the crawl space. Damn! Fully dismembered. Took my head clean off.
This'll be.
I'm about dead right here too, bro.
Teammates about dead too, I think. Oh yeah.
Damn it, Johnny. Get your head straight. Come on now.
Oh my god, bro. If he literally touches me once, I'm dead. I don't know how I'm still alive. Are you still alive?
Nah, I got fucking
chainsaw.
Oh,
bro, he's pissed.
Oh, God. That's the motherfucker right there that killed me.
I gotta go into the house and put this fuse down.
Oh God.
There's another. Oh my god.
friend said he's gonna go home.
I need
I have
help.
to stay strong. Gotta find the others.
I think there's some right there. That toolbox. In there to the right. That's a terrible
You
crossway.
poor little
Look at this.
To the right of that cooler? Oh no, you got me.
Bro, he's over here.
There has to be
Finish
some
this
way to open
regenerating
this.
health like that?
I think I got a route.
Just keep your head clear. Eyes open. You can do this. This'll help.
Oh man.
What the fuck is this?
Okay. It worked.
Oh shit. He's gonna be on the other side of that door waiting for you.
I gotta go now, bro.
Teammate's dead.
I don't know where this door is, though. Oh, there it is, bro. I'm out. I made it, dude.
Yes, sir. As teammates getting chopped up right now.
Oh,
Damn.
oh no. Good game, bro. Wow, that was a good one. If you were there with me and we both got out, that would have literally been perfect, but can't win them all. Good game,
That
man.
was the first game too.
First one on the board. I'll see you in the next episode. See y'all guys in the next one, man. Good game.